Hi, I'm Dr. Ryan Loud. There are moments throughout the day when you need to be at your best, mentally sharp, energized, and ready to perform. That's where Life.io Activate Energy comes in. Life.io Activate Energy comes in two refreshing flavors, limeade and berry lemonade. And with its key ingredients, it is Life.io's daily solution for supporting mental energy and focus, promoting metabolic health, and supporting fluid balance, and so much more. Each serving of Life.io Activate Energy contains caffeine, D-BHB Ketones, electrolytes, and B vitamins, including B6 and B12, all working together to help you stay switched on and to support your performance and daily routine. Caffeine helps support alertness, focus, reaction time, and cognitive performance, helping you feel energized and mentally sharp. It is also formulated with the D-isomer BHB ketones, the same isomer produced by the human body. These ketones can be used by the brain and the muscles as a source of energy during prolonged fasting or carbohydrate restriction. Electrolytes, including sodium, magnesium, and calcium, help maintain fluid balance and support hydration and electrolyte balance and even mineral replenishment. And B vitamins, including B6 and B12, contribute to normal energy metabolism and support reduction of tiredness and fatigue. So when you bring it all together, whether you're starting your day, preparing for a workout, or need to stay focused throughout a demanding schedule, Life.io Activate Energy ingredients help deliver energy, focus, and hydration support when you need it most. Life.io Activate Energy is simple to consume. Just mix 1 sachet into 12 fluid ounces of water, stir until fully dissolved, and take once per day. With targeted ingredients designed to support you daily, Life.io Activate Energy is there to power the moments when you have to be at your best. Order yours today.